huh? Mind your business. So, this is the old house. This is the entrance to the new house. When you walk in, you get a small little hallway. Kind of goes at an angle, like a junction. Bathroom for the kids. Bedroom 1. Laundry in here. Kids' room is here. Master bedroom is here. Big ass walk-in closet. I was thinking about putting a washer and dryer right there. I'm still thinking about it. Right in the closet, be pretty convenient. Bedroom. And that's the bathroom. I got a big 90-inch vanity that goes across there. A shower. This is one of those recessed setups, or curbless. So this area sits lower than the actual floor, so that way I can just walk right in without a curb. And that's a toilet. So let me go back over here, kind of show you what's going on with this HVAC system. I installed these LED lights upstairs. Instead of putting one little fluorescent light up there, I installed a shitload of them. So that way I can work up here. All these LED lights that I got up here go all the way down into the other space. $200 for 10 of them that are 8-footers. That's a system right there. I got that installed on a platform, A-coil supply plenum. Return is down there. I have this filter. That's electronic for like static electricity. Pretty much filters everything in the house, pollens, dirt, dust. I got to take off the return plenum, put that on, put the plenum on top of that, so it catches everything that goes right through it. Those things get washed out. So line set comes in, ties into it. It goes down through that wall under the crawl space around the new house, or under it, goes out to the condensing unit. So all I got to do is solder that, solder this line to the other one, and solder the unit. The AC is done. So as I go back, let me turn on these lights here. This is that Levington Load Center. You can get these Wi-Fi breakers that sync to your phone and tells you how much each room is consuming. And you can shut it off from your phone too, in case you're out of town or something like that. So, start off here. I got 2 room supply lines right here. And the end goes right there. I got all the straps that are supporting it, holding it, go up and over. 90's right there, and it ties to that Y that's right there. I need to take that off and put an electronic damper on that. And that comes right there. So I got 2 in this room. The bathroom, I have another supply right there, and it goes right there. I put a damper on this room to control it. Now, this is the closet. This goes up there. Other end goes over there. This gets cut in half, and it goes to that Y right there. And I have 2 dampers going on that to control flow in both of these rooms. And this unit is a 12-inch, that duct. It's R8 instead of R6, so it's way thicker, because you know how I overdo shit. It got cut right there, and from there it goes to a 16, and it goes all the way to the back to the plenum. And so if I go down here into this bathroom, I have an 8-inch duct right there. That is a home run to the plenum. This one also is a home run that goes to the plenum. And both of these rooms get dampers because it's got a lot of flow, because it's coming right off the unit. And I gotta hook that thing up right here above the window. I'm putting returns in each room, so each room is going to have airflow coming into it and out of it. In most cases, you just stick it in the center of the hallway, which I'm doing that also right here. I'm putting a big 20-inch duct that goes right into the plenum, but each bedroom is going to be getting a 10 by 10. So supply goes above the window, return is on the opposite side in each bedroom, including the master. I'm putting one right there, and that's going to go all the way back. So that way, if all the doors are closed, it's not only sucking 100 square feet, it's going to be sucking from every single room. I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, that big ass duct right there, that's going to be hooked up to that 16-inch supply that comes right into it. And that should provide enough flow for this entire building. It's 1,360 square foot. Should have a 3.5 ton. I got a 4 ton. So that way I have, because the attic space is considered conditioned. I have no vent on that wall and nothing down there because the whole building is sealed. So that way, upstairs, it's going to be the same temperature as the main house, maybe a couple degrees hotter or colder, depending on the day. But I have 1/2-inch OSB on the roof. I have 2 inches of polyiso on top of that, and another 1/2-inch OSB with marine grade coating. So if it rains and it gets through those shingles, it'll still be watertight. I seal seamed every joint and every nail I've coated with a special material that's like super rubberized, same shit they use like on car windows, but it's specifically for this application. So currently I have R12 on the roof. I'm going to be doing spray foam inside here, which should bring my R value to almost R40. So that way I don't need to insulate this bullshit. I don't have to do any of this shit. And if I come up here, there's no hot air that's going to be pushing down on my envelope. I'll be totally airtight. Pollen, dust, dirt, fucking smoke. None of that shit's going to come through this fucking building. And that's pretty much it. Even all the spray foam. I spray foamed all the cracks and crevices. And there's another service called Aero Barrier where they come in here. They do a blower door test where they have the main access door and they close it off. And they're going to stick this particular mister in here in a couple of spots, and they blow this liquid caulk. It's like an air caulk, and it goes through all the cracks and crevices that I missed, and it entirely seals the whole fucking building. I mean, it's impossible to get it 100% tight, but it's going to be pretty fucking close. And it's some innovative shit, like game changer kind of shit. Might cost a couple of G's, but at the end of the day, it'll be worth it. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it, man. It's coming around. I just got to run these returns and a couple more supply lines, and I'll be finished. But I'd say a good 60-70% of the ducting shit, at least 70% is done. So I'm getting pretty fucking close here.